I don't even know how to, like, oh. Hey YouTube, this is an everyday makeup look for the girlies, and we're going to chit chat and answer some questions and talk because, you know, I have not vented, ranted, talked to anybody in so long. So yeah, without further ado, stay tuned. What I do when I start my makeup, which I haven't done in a long time, but you know, we're quarantined, so I got bored. So first thing I do, I use this rose water from Trader Joe's. Get y'all some. Filling in my messy behind eyebrows. When I use on my eyebrows, I use this NYX eyebrow pencil. It looks like this, but I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. The first question is what made me get into makeup, and also another person asked the same type of question: why is makeup my passion? I first got into makeup at a very young age. I was always that kid to go into my mom's room, mom if you're watching this, head, and my sister's room, Kiara if you see this, head, to go in their room and just take their makeup, and it would just always go missing. 6th grade, I don't know where my sister was at the time, but I went into her room and I knew where all her makeup stuff was, and I just was like, let me try something. I remember her learning how to contour her face, and so I tried it, and it actually came out really good. I'll insert a picture somewhere in here, but that was when I first got into makeup, and like from that point on, like I just kept trying and look, I'm here today. Like, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Look, I recommend this 10 times over. I take this flat brush, see how flat it is, and I just carve out my eyebrows. This e.l.f. concealer brush, and I just blend it all down to my eyelid. I'm gonna say that it's my passion because I like doing it. Just find it therapeutic, which is like why I find it as like a passion now. I'm going to use this matte face primer. All right, next question. Next caller. How's my senior year? Can't even complain because I was actually blessed to have like even make it this far. I use this Il Makiage foundation. Senior year, it was not that bad until now. Like, it's just getting bad. It's not even bad to me. Like, I am truly grateful for everything that I've been through this year. It's definitely was one of the best years school-wise out of all 4 years. I'm not upset, but I'm not satisfied, I should say. Like, we're just taking that what I use under my eyes, we're just putting it under my eye for highlight. Funniest memory with my friends. Do we really want to go there? Janae. I'm gonna insert the video. And I got ran over from this girl from Woodrow Willy Wonder, and I take the this medium deep fit me finishing loose powder. I got this from Beauty Supply Store. Don't roast me, don't do any of that. But I got this from Beauty Supply Store, and it works wonders. Get in where you fit in, baby. So like my standards are very high when it comes to like looking for a guy. They just gotta know how to carry themselves as a man. You can't be out here saying one thing to me and being another female face. And that's no bueno. Having respect for a female altogether, having that like personality where you could sit down and tell your girl like, look, I don't like this, like communicate it, to go under the contour and just go like that. I'm gonna use blush. I like Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink, Maybelline Great Lash Glow Sun Drip Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. It's a highlighter. So now I take my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and set. So to add something to my lips, I take this Hot Choco Lit lip balm, lip gloss balm from Fenty. Rihanna, you did something with this. This is the finished look. I know I haven't been on here in a long time, and I just want to say I'm back in business. I'm back in motion. Y'all have made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I just want to put a quick message out there. Make sure y'all are staying at home. If it's not necessary, do not go outside, period. And you know, just being positive mentally, because I know for a fact if I'm going through it, a lot of people are going through it mentally. And you know, just keep your heads up. It's all going to end at some point, for real. Keep your heads up and know that blessings are coming. That's all I gotta say, like, for real. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and stay tuned for more content. Also comment some other videos, challenges y'all want to do. We are all quarantined. We're all going through this together, so y'all might as well just comment some stuff and we gonna see what Jamani come up with. See ya.